Banhxeo filled with shrimp and chicken, the perfect dish to treat friends on the weekend. The weekend is the perfect occasion to gather friends, cook together and share happy moments. And if you are looking for a dish with a strong Vietnamese flavor to treat, then banhxeo filled with shrimp and chicken is a great choice. With a crispy crust, sweet shrimp filling and soft, fragrant chicken, banhxeo is not only delicious but also brings people together through laughter and joy during the meeting. Mentioning banhxeo means mentioning the image of a crispy, hot pan of pancakes. The banhxeo filled with shrimp and chicken version brings the perfect combination of seafood and chicken, creating an unforgettable, distinctive flavor. The golden crispy crust blends with sweet fresh shrimp, fragrant chicken, and refreshing bean sprouts, all creating an attractive culinary experience that is hard to ignore.
Ingredients: 200 grams of banhxeo flour, 600 grams of fresh river shrimp, washed and drained, 1 chicken weighing about 900 grams, washed and drained. Use a knife to cut the chicken in half, then cut it into 4. Then take each piece of chicken meat off the bone and set aside. The remaining bone is used to cook soup. 150 milliliters of coconut milk, 2 cassava roots, peeled and sliced, 3 chopped green onions, chili, optional, 150 grams of bean sprouts. Raw vegetables, lettuce, herbs, basil. Especially in mountainous areas, there is also wild vegetables such as wormwood. Wash all. Soak in diluted salt water for 15 minutes. Remove and drain. Olive oil, oyster sauce, black pepper, pink salt, brown sugar and other spices according to family taste. Dipping sauce, mixed from fish sauce, lemon, garlic, chili and sugar. Adjust to taste.
How to make: mix the cake flour, mix the banhxeo flour with a little fish sauce, coconut milk and a little filtered water. Mix well, not too thin. Add green onions to create flavor and color. Prepare the filling, steam the shrimp with a little salt and shallots for about 15 minutes until the shrimp is golden brown and fragrant. Peel and remove the back vein, then you can cut it into small pieces or leave it whole for more appeal. After cutting the chicken from the bone, put it in a blender and quickly cut it into small pieces the size of a pomegranate, then marinate with pepper, shallots and spices. Continue to take this meat and put it in a pan with a little olive oil and fried garlic. Stir fry quickly over high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken is golden brown and flavorful, then remove for a plate. Fry the cake, heat the pan with a little cooking oil. When the oil is hot, pour a thin layer of flour into the pan and quickly rotate it so that the flour spreads across the pan. Add the cassava, shrimp and chicken filling in the middle, cover for about 3 to 5 minutes, then sprinkle bean sprouts on top so the cake is golden brown and crispy. Fold the cake and scoop it onto a plate. Here is a complete set of banhxeo. Enjoy right away. Quote.
Enjoy! Pick up each piece of banhxeo, roll it with raw vegetables. Dip it in sweet and sour chili fish sauce. The crispy taste of the cake combined with the sweet shrimp filling, fragrant chicken and rich dipping sauce will satisfy your taste buds from the first bite. What could be more interesting than sitting around the dining table with friends and family, personally rolling each piece of hot, crispy banhxeo? Everyday stories, crispy laughter, and the fragrant flavor of banhxeo will make the meeting warmer and more memorable than ever. Each person chooses their favorite filling, shares the dish together, creating closeness and connection through each piece of cake. Banhxeo with shrimp and chicken is not only a delicious dish, but also an opportunity for you to show your thoughtfulness, ingenuity and hospitality. Surely this cake will leave an unforgettable impression on your friends, making them want to come back for the next meetings. So, prepare the ingredients now and enjoy banhxeo with your friends' delicious shrimp and chicken filling. Enjoy this weekend.
Share the joy of cooking. If you have tried this dish or have any other delicious recipes, don't hesitate to share with us. You can record your own cooking video. There are 2 ways to share. Method 1, upload the video to your Google Drive and send the link to your edit request in the comment section. Method 2, send your shared video to Harfan's Google Drive folder listed in the description and let us know in the comment section. We are happy to collaborate in editing and sharing those great recipes with the community. Let's spread the passion for food and delicious dishes to everyone. Every meal is an opportunity to connect and share joy, and the above dish will be an indispensable choice on the menu for you and your loved ones. Here we would like to end this article on this dish. Goodbye and see you again at Thanhtra Kitchen next time.